Ever wondered what the secret sauce is behind those sleek charts and vibrant trading communities you see online? What platform has become the go-to hub for millions of traders and investors worldwide, from seasoned professionals to those just dipping their toes in the financial waters? Think about it. In a world overflowing with financial data and trading tools, one name consistently pops up: TradingView. But why? What makes this platform so incredibly famous? It's not just another charting tool, it's a whole ecosystem. Let's peel back the layers and explore the key ingredients that have propelled TradingView to its current stardom. First and foremost, the charts. TradingView offers some of the most visually appealing and highly customizable charts in the industry. Forget clunky interfaces and limited options. Here, you have a vast array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and timeframes at your fingertips. Whether you're a fan of Fibonacci retracements, Elliott wave theory, or simply drawing trend lines, TradingView empowers you to analyze price action with precision and clarity. The intuitive design means even beginners can quickly grasp the basics, while advanced traders can delve into intricate analyses without feeling restricted. But TradingView is more than just pretty charts. It's a vibrant social network for traders. Imagine a place where you can share your trading ideas, discuss market trends, and learn from a global community of like-minded individuals. That's precisely what TradingView offers. You can follow top traders, engage in discussions, and even broadcast your own live trading sessions. This social aspect fosters a collaborative learning environment, breaking down the often isolating nature of trading. The ability to see others' analyses and perspectives can be incredibly valuable, especially for newcomers navigating the complexities of the market. Then there's the sheer breadth of data and integrations. TradingView provides real-time data for a vast range of financial instruments, including stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, across numerous exchanges worldwide. This comprehensive coverage means you can analyze virtually any market you're interested in, all within a single platform. Furthermore, TradingView seamlessly integrates with various brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from the charts. This end-to-end functionality streamlines the trading process, making it more efficient and convenient. Let's not forget the scripting language, PineScript. This powerful yet user-friendly language allows traders to create their own custom indicators and trading strategies. Whether you want to backtest a new idea or automate your analysis, PineScript provides the tools to do so. The active community around PineScript also means you can often find and adapt scripts created by other users, further expanding the platform's capabilities. This level of customization and control is a significant draw for serious traders who want to tailor their tools to their specific needs. Finally, accessibility plays a crucial role in TradingView's popularity. It's a web-based platform, meaning you can access it from virtually any device with an internet connection, no need for cumbersome software installations. This accessibility, combined with its free basic plan offering substantial functionality, makes it an attractive option for traders of all levels, regardless of their budget or technical expertise. The premium plans offer even more advanced features, catering to the needs of professional traders, but the robust free version ensures that everyone can experience the core benefits of the platform. In essence, TradingView's fame isn't built on just one thing, but a powerful combination of factors: visually stunning and customizable charts, a thriving social trading community, comprehensive data and broker integrations, the flexibility of PineScript, and widespread accessibility. It has successfully blended powerful analytical tools with a collaborative social environment, creating a unique and indispensable platform for the modern trader and investor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.